A quick Google search will find dozens of people who advertise that they can rebuild your Porsche Boxster, Cayman, or 911, 996, or 997 engine, many at prices that are so low, they're hard to believe. Others advertise their rebuilt Porsche engines as having extensive upgrades, but to keep costs low, many components that should be replaced are reused, and required processes to correct for issues like cylinder bore scoring are simply omitted. In some cases, there are hidden costs associated with upgrades that are not disclosed until the shop has disassembled your engine, leaving you little choice other than to accept these costs and move forward. Many of these supposed improvements also provide no actual benefit, and in some cases are actually detrimental. The consumer often accepts these claims at face value, not knowing any better, assuming the builder has the experience and integrity to rebuild their Porsche engine correctly. It's up to the purchaser to do their homework and research whomever they're considering to rebuild their Porsche engine. General automotive repair shops, however qualified to service your Porsche, might not have trained personnel, specialty tools, or a dedicated space to rebuild your Porsche engine. Many of these shops are also unfamiliar with rebuilding these newer Porsche engines. There is a huge difference between an engine builder and an engine assembler. Anyone can simply replace parts and bolt together an engine. What you need is a Porsche engine rebuild specialist. Flat 6 Innovations. We not only have 25 years of Porsche engine building experience, we've also trained hundreds of independent and dealer technicians. Using our unique understanding of M96 and M97 engines, Flat 6 Innovations assisted these countless technicians in rebuilding engines on Porsche Boxsters, Caymans, and 911s. Many of the technicians we've trained have become competitors, selling something that is confusingly similar to a Flat 6 Innovations engine, but certainly not the same.
Call or visit flat6innovations.com to learn more.